And thanks a lot, Dave. Yes, it does look like we have another system making its way into the Ohio Valley, and we're going to be getting some mixture of precipitation during the next 36 to 48 hours. And Newcomerstown at 7 a.m. this Tuesday morning, cloudy skies and 36 degrees. Cambridge, pretty much the same picture, cloudy skies and 37 degrees at Cambridge. Pressure at both locations, 29.82 inches, and they are dropping off. That's indicative of the system that's making its way towards Ohio from the Midwest. Let's take a look at the national map then. Low pressure located across Iowa. Boy, it's really wound up. Wait till this thing hits the East Coast. It's really going to bomb out. And a frontal system across Indiana, warm front just to the south of Ohio. You see the scattered precipitation. That'll make its way through Ohio Tuesday night into the day on Wednesday. Once the cold front makes its way through, any mixture of precipitation will change briefly over to snow shower activity before ending on Thursday. Your temperatures regionally, well, you can see the warm air trying to make its way into the Ohio Valley from the south, just below that warm front. And then out here in the upper Midwest, Iowa, Minnesota, colder air along with and behind that low pressure system, and that will be transferred over to the Ohio Valley for a day or two. Temperatures will drop to about 10 degrees below normal, nothing big. Trough making its way through Ohio, and the more important news, that warm front trying to make its way to the north through the state. Cold front in Indiana poised to make its way through the Buckeye State as well. This purple line is an occluded front. That's where the two air masses collide, the warm air and the cold air. The cold air catches up with the warm air, and so those two air masses collide, and that's called an occluded front. Those are indicated as a purple line with half moons and barbs normally on your weather map across the state of Ohio. A lot of temperatures missing, but they range from 21 degrees up there in Youngstown to 35 degrees at the capital city of Columbus. Buckeye State for the day Wednesday looks like this. The western 1/3, say along and west of I-75, you'll have a mainly snow event. Nothing important, maybe an inch, locally 2 inches on grassy surfaces. And to the east of there, you'll have a mixture of precipitation for the most part during the day, with temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s for highs. But once that cold front makes its way through the area, your precipitation will change over to a brief snow pattern. Now, your 5-day forecast for East Central Ohio. Here's your precipitation. Wednesday, 70% likelihood of that. Highs in the low 40s. And then Thursday and Friday, cooling off, mid to upper 30s for highs. And then toward the weekend, low pressure troughs to our north will swing through the area, give us a chance of precipitation. Daytime highs in the low to mid 40s, which are actually about normal. Mike will be back with your sports report in just a minute.